Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be talking to you about this really awesome countertop portable ice maker from a company called AGLUCKY. I was looking for a way to make my own ice instead of having to go buy ice at the grocery store if I'm having a party or something, and this ice maker is great. I couldn't be happier. This ice maker produces 9 pieces of ice about every 6 to 8 minutes. That's a total of about 26 pounds in a 24-hour period. So plenty of ice, very small and compact, doesn't take up a lot of space. It produces bullet style ice. Now, if you don't know what that is, it's ice that kind of looks like a bullet. It's got a nice round smooth, and then it has a hole in the center. And I love that. It makes it so that it's easy to crunch or chew if you want to do that, but it also makes it so that more of the liquid comes into contact with the ice, so it helps keep your drink cooler. I love it. The ice in a glass, it doesn't melt fast. It's nice solid ice, yet because of the way it's designed, it's easier to chew or crunch than standard square cubed ice, which is great. Now, this ice maker is capable of doing 2 sizes, a small size or a large size. There's not a huge difference. It's just the small has a few less layers and the large has more layers, so it's a bigger piece of ice. But you can do either or with this machine. It's very simple to use. You basically have a basin here that you fill with water. So you pour your water into the basin, you can pull it all the way up to the fill line, and then you have a basket that comes out. You put that basket on there. That's what catches the ice. Then you have the ice making mechanism back here in the back. And you have those 9 little metal rods that the ice is formed around. It pulls water from the basin. It creates that ice, freezes that ice. Like I said, about every 6 to 8 minutes, it'll complete a set of 9 pieces of ice, and then it comes down and dumps the ice over into the basket, and then starts over with the process. Now, what's great is while it's doing that, once the basket is full, it'll let you know that the basket is full, and it'll stop, and you can take the basket out, empty it into an ice tray or a bag, put it in the freezer, put the basket back. It'll continue making. You can also add water. So if it runs out of water, again, same thing. It has an indicator to let you know, I'm out of water, can't make any more ice. You can just add water. It'll just keep going. It really is a workhorse of a machine, but very simple and very easy to use. The ice that it makes is great. It's nice and smooth on the outside, but again, softer, a little bit easier to crunch or chew than standard block ice, but very effective at keeping drinks cool. And also, one thing I love about it, unlike square ice, it doesn't get caught. When you're drinking out of a glass of square ice, sometimes, you know, it gets caught in a weird way and the liquid can't get around it, and then it goes around it and spills. Much less likely to happen with this kind of ice. Just bullet style ice is one of the best types of ice that you can use, and this makes it so well and so effectively and so simple. Again, just a small countertop unit. You just plug it into your power supply, add the water, and you are good to go. And that's really all it does. It's a very simple product that works great. I absolutely love it. I have the black, and it looks great. It is also available in a soft light gray color as well as a red color, so you can pick out the color that works best for your decor, where you're going to use it, or your style. But no matter what color you choose, you're going to get a great machine. This ice machine from AGLUCKY is really excellent. If you're looking for a small portable countertop ice machine, then this is the one to get. The bullet style ice, the quickness of how fast it makes ice, and how easy it is to use, definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my playlist, or favorite this channel. Subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist. If you want to keep up with future product reviews, if you have any questions about this machine, just post them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.